Hey everyone, it's Rich with Rich Rebuilds here, and it's time to say goodbye. Two of my projects are going on the chopping block right now. One named Project Maeve, and the other one called the Fire Car from Canada. Now, if you aren't up to date on Project Maeve, she's a wrecked Tesla Model S that I purchased to harvest parts from to fix another Tesla that I bought from a Texas flood. Now, the Fire Car from Canada is a car that caught fire in a man's garage that made headlines a couple years back, and I bought this car for spare parts for Dolores, my first flood build. First, we're going to talk about Maeve. Now, Maeve was a 2015 P85D that I was watching at auction for a while. I bid, won the auction, took the parts that I needed, and she sat in my friend Sean's backyard for over a year. Remember a while back I was able to boot up the car? Well, I found the old owner's address, and Sean and I drove 6 hours, paid them a visit to see if the guy survived that accident or not. And after a while, we were kind of wondering how awkward would it have been if the guy actually died in the car. But thankfully, we went to the house, met his wife, and found out he was not dead, and the car actually saved his life. Then he went on to buy a Porsche. So today we're going to load this project up onto our trailer and bring it to get recycled, where it'll be given a new life. Remember that this Tesla Model S shell is aluminum, and it's going to be recycled and probably become parts of an airplane, or more than likely aluminum tin cans, which you'll be drinking orange soda or beer out of. Recycling this Tesla is not only something I'm doing because it's a hobby or only because it gives me pure enjoyment, I'm also doing it because it's something I really believe in. Now, today's episode is brought to you by the Climate Exchange. Last week, the IPCC released a report saying that we only have about 13 years left to take drastic action and address climate change. We're trying to do our part to support sustainability. Another thing the IPCC said is that we need to put a price on carbon and drastically change our energy supply. The Climate Exchange is a Boston-based nonprofit that's trying to do exactly this. They're leading the effort in Massachusetts and hope to spur some more campaigns across the country. The only way they're able to do this is by raffling off 3 Teslas, and you could win one of them. Check out the link in the description below, or go to carbonraffle.org. Now, let's see how Sean and I load up this giant hunk of aluminum to the trailer, only using basic hand tools like floor jacks, engine hoists, and come-alongs. Also, a lot of places have the luxury of having a forklift, while Sean and I don't have that. Let's see if this was worth our time. How much money in aluminum is a Tesla Model S worth?
Dude, this thing's quiet, man. It's like a Tesla, this thing.
It's kind of weird that I like that, and then I got this thing. Which,
holy shit, this thing's quiet.
It's not quiet. Car manufacturers need to get straightened up. Look at this thing.
Yeah, where's the battery?
So, here's the positive.
Right.
Here's the negative. Oh, watch like the negative try to get on something.
Yeah.
This stupid thing's in the way of everything. You barely get a piece of it.
Who designed this thing?
That's what I mean. It's like, look at this.
Yeah.
Like, what f***ing nerd built this? Clearly they've never worked on cars.
Exactly. Alright, ready?
Let it sit for a few.
Where's the turbo whistle?
It's coming.
It's coming. There we go.
Harbor Freight.
How far is Harbor Freight from here? Is it really? Oh shit. Alright, well, looks like I gotta use math and science or this thing.
So I do another one. I don't know how far it's actually going to get us. Offend it being right there, but A.
Let's see, baby. Come on. That's not bad. It's working.
We get some more shit to put under this. Golden girls.
Nice. How's the other side looking? Not so good. Not so good. Oh, let me see. Stop. That side right there.
Just can't go too far. Putting the other side down. It's got something under it.
Can the back go up yet?
A little bit. Stand on the front. We'll stand on the front brace.
I won't do it?
Hold on, it will. It's gonna take some finagling. Alright, bounce.
Do you want to do it and I can push it?
Yeah, I can try that. Should go a little bit better,
Yeah.
At least that's what your wife tells me.
What the f?
Does it come down like really low?
Yeah, no, you gotta like really. Oh, right, 1, 2. Ah! One more time. Yep. Getting better. Go ahead. Nice. That should do it. Yeah. You matched the car, Sean. Okay, baby.
So I get to the junkyard, and this is easily the most expensive car here. There's a bunch of burnt cars, old Chevy pickup trucks, Nissans, a few Jettas, and a Pontiac. Let's see how much we actually get for the car. $60 measly dollars. That's right, boys and girls. This Tesla was worth $60 measly dollars. It's interesting because the Tesla Fire Canada car is actually worth more than that. Check out this quick summary of Sean and I loading up that car last year.
All right, this is ready to go. All right, so we got it upright. Let's see what happens when we try to get it on this actual thing here. The whole goal is to get it on top of here. Nailed it. Let's get the winch. Let's get it tight. Let's get it tight. Oh. So, yeah, now we'll start pulling it a little bit more.
Pretty close.
Yeah, let's pull it. Ah. We're gonna get somebody commenting, dude, you're doing it the wrong way. I've been a tow truck driver for 58 years. All right, progress, baby. Progress.
I think we're on.
I think we're on too.
Go for it.
Got this one here. This thing's still complaining. Shut up. Get behind the truck and hide. Is it getting hooked on anything? Huh?
I think we in here, fam.
Is it getting hooked at anything in the back?
I don't think so.
That thing's a trooper for hanging in there this long. Let's see how strong this car is. I want to pull up the car a little bit more, but unfortunately, the leverage point is too close for me to attach it there, so I have attached to the rear of the car. Now, I put it here. Let's see if I could pull this entire car by this, 1/16 of an inch aluminum strip right there. So it has right here. I have it nice and tight. Let's see if I can pull this up a little bit more. No way. Check this out. Dude, oh, it's getting crushed by this. Hold on. No, look at this. I'm pulling the entire car by this piece right here.
Oh, God.
That thin aluminum strip. Is that insane?
Yeah, you're nuts.
Pulled the whole car up with this backyard ghetto trash that should have killed us both. This really should have killed us.
But did you die?
No. Did you die?
Perfect,
No.
but did you die moment.
Now that car was worth $130 in scrap, and most of the front of the car was burned. Same place, different car. One was a 2012 car, the other was a 2015 car. One was a dual motor shell versus a single motor shell. Not sure why there's such a large difference in price. I didn't think the price of aluminum dropped that drastically over the course of a year, but hey, it's what they offered, and we took it. Between both cars, I spent $26,000 and I got $190 back in scrap metal. Some quick math means I have $25,810 left to make up. So, thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for everyone for using my Tesla referral code. Francisco ordered his Tesla a few days ago. Francisco, let me know when you get that Tesla in. I'd love to see it. Check me out on Instagram at RichieBKid. And don't forget to check out this episode's sponsor at carbonraffle.org. I will see you guys soon.